Budex Roofing Solutions, professional roofing manufacturer since 2016. Roofing Hub, Budex, Budex production lines, modern manufacturing facility, strict quality control system, dedicated roofing production, premium alu zinc steel, selected stone granules, quality starts from raw materials, automated forming process, precision manufacturing, consistent product quality, built for long-term performance, stone coating process, advanced stone coating technology, strong adhesion performance, uniform color distribution, durable surface protection, product inspection, every sheet carefully inspected, quality assured before delivery, warehouse, organized inventory management, fast production and delivery, exported to global markets. Thatch roofing section. Stone-coated roofing sheets. Low maintenance. Artificial thatch roofing solutions. Asphalt roofing shingles. Multiple color options. Lightweight and durable. Up to 50 years lifespan. Trusted by customers worldwide. Factory direct supply. Budex Roofing Solutions. Roofing Hub, Budex.